Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I'm making what I'm calling unicorn film. Now first off, you want some mica powder. You will want a piece of either vinyl backing, so something which does not allow things to stick to it. So it could be vinyl backing or it could be baking parchment. Piece of paper, blank paper would be handy. And here is the magic ingredient. We have a laminating folder. You can do this with both sections or you can do it with just one side of it. And then you just get your mica powder, whatever you fancy using. I'm going to go for a green one. Now you can do it in colour layers like stripes, or you can just do it randomly. I've got some of these like gold, silver, metallic-y flake things, and I put them in this salt and pepper grinder, and I can grind it to put flakes on here. And now I can flip that over. If you only want to do it on one side and you want to have the other side to do something else, then you put the flakes on first. Put this over the top, put it through the laminator. But if, like me, you're doing it in closed manner, you very carefully allow that to close because you want everything to go absolutely everywhere. Put it in there and then put it through a laminator. Now, here's one I did earlier where I did it on a single layer, so it's not a closed laminated pouch. And I used the flakes first and then dusted it over with some powder. And if I put it onto this white paper here, you can see all the colour that it has got. This is what it is like if you put it through the laminator as a double piece. So here's one that I did with some quite fine glitter. Sprinkled that on first, then you cover it, put it through the laminator. Then you bring it out, put the powder on. In this case, I did random swirls, and then you put it through the laminator again. So as you can see, you get some really great effects, and I think this would be a really useful addition to your crafting supplies.